Hey YouTube, still feel sick and I have the hiccups right now. They're not going away. It's day 58, I think. I had to go off work early because I just couldn't be there because I'm still having pain. I'm taking my medicine, but I still have pain, and I've been like dizzy and lightheaded. Almost passed out a little while ago, but I think I'll be okay. Monday I have a doctor's appointment at 4, and so I'll be going to that and figuring out hopefully what's wrong with me. Thank you guys for all your comments. Sorry I haven't responded to most of that. I've just not been on the computer much. I hope you guys are doing good. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm just tired. I'm gonna go to bed.